Hey Google, open the curtains.
Sure. Opening the living room curtain.
Hi everybody, it's Alan from Automate Your Life, and we're going to talk about the Switchbot curtain. We're going to unbox it for you and see what's inside. Alright, so in my setup I've got a double rod curtain, a heavier curtain set, and a lighter curtain set in the back. And so I'm going to use the Switchbot curtain to open up my heavier set curtain, the dark blue there that you see. And let's see how this goes. So first let's open up the box for the Switchbot curtain. So as you see, the Switchbot curtain comes in a red and white box. It's nicely decorated, explains that you can open and set it up in within 30 seconds, which is possibly true. So we're going to figure that out. But it shows you how easy you can set it up and match it up with your Switchbot Hub Plus or your Switchbot Hub Mini. The device is rechargeable. It says the battery life is about 8 months, or you could use a solar panel, but we don't have that right now. So what we're going to do is just open up the box here. When you open up the box, you can tell that it's nicely packed in there. There you are. You can see the Switchbot curtain. I'm going to take that out. See that it's nicely packaged so it doesn't get damaged. It's got an adjustable clip on the top, so you can extend it over pretty much most curtain rods. It's got a good weight to it. Looks like it's nicely designed. It's got some clips there so that you can make sure you can adjust, like I said before. It's got a roller on it. There are 3 types of Switchbot curtain. It's got some adjustable clips, and that's part of the setup process to make sure that the clips tightens nicely on top of your curtain rod. As you can see, it just compresses down. You can imagine that cardboard paper is the curtain rod. Pushes down nicely on it so that the roller takes it horizontal across your curtain automatically. On the back, you have a charging port and a button for a reset and to connect to the Switchbot Hub Mini. It's got an instruction manual, which is actually it's quite clear and concise. Inside the box on the bottom there, you'll see the charging cable. So inside the other box, you'll see the accessories for the Switchbot curtain. You'll find inside a bunch of clips. These are multi-purpose clips, depending on what type of curtain you have. Sometimes you might have a curtain that actually doesn't have metal hooks, but you might have cloth tabs. So those align the curtains to the curtain rod to make sure that it's nicely spaced, evenly spaced, so that the Switchbot curtain doesn't have a lot of friction. And then of course there's the charging cable, but there's this little doohickey that it comes with. I'm not sure exactly what that's for. I looked in the instruction manual for it, couldn't find a use for it, so we'll just put that aside. And then of course it's got the charging cable, which you use to recharge your Switchbot curtain. There you have it. That's the Switchbot curtain unboxing. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the unboxing of the Switchbot curtain. I have, and I'm ready and excited to set this up so that I can get my curtains opening and closing automatically. In the meantime, you can watch tutorial videos here on Automate Your Life to help set up your smart home. If these videos interest you, please subscribe down below. And in the meantime, don't hate, automate.